So this is the last level, or you can say ground level of the government. So the need for the government at village level. So what is the need uh, of gram panchayat? So let's see. The weakest thing link is, think about a basketball match that you are playing against another team. So you have the best player in the city on your team, but others hardly know how to play basketball. So this is the condition. You have to think the other team has no such star. It's like you are the best player in the city, and you are in one team, and other players, like players are not that much good, so hardly they know how to play the basketball. And in other team they have no star like you, but all players have good training, have got good training and play reasonably well. So they well known, they know the how to play the basketball, but they don't have one best player in their team. So which team will win?
Ma'am, the other team will.
Okay, please type it in the chat box. That training one. Okay. Yes, the team is as strong as is the weakest players. So the team with more weak players will always be a loser, even if its best player is a star, isn't it? Because that is one person. And if all people, all the team members know how to play well, so that team will win. So the weakest players have to be made strong for the team to be strong. Most of the people in our country live in villages. Few lives in cities. So for India to develop, which people do you think must be strengthened?
Village people.
Village people, villagers, or city people?
And the villagers.
Villagers.
So what we have to do? We have to focus on the village people. We have to develop village people, isn't it?
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
yes, first team lost because they have they have more weak players, so they lost. So here also in our country, most of the people live in villages. So we have to focus on villages. So village people, our country will prosper only if our villages do. Villages, if our villages are strong, then only we can strengthen our country. With so many years of foreign rules, the villages were in bad shape. So that time when foreign rule in our country, that time villages were in bad condition. They were in bad shape. So when India became independent, it was important to develop villages. So when we became independence, that time our government thought that it is very important to develop villages because most of the people live in villages only. So the government set up team to look after to develop the villages. The team and the system together are called Panchayati Raj. So, which team is set up to look after the villages? So, that team and the system together is called Panchayati Raj. India is divided into several states. How many states we have? So, we have 28
Ma'am, 28.
states and now it is 8 union territories. Okay, so look at the map of Maharashtra. You can see here, it is divided into several districts. So Maharashtra is divided into district or jilla. We can Marathi, in Marathi it is called Zilla. So take a look at Nashik district. So you can see here these points. These are the, see, is it visible there? Yes. So each district is further divided into talukas. So here you can see. Look at Evla Taluka in Nashik. So this Evla Taluka has 125 villages. So Taluka is divided into villages. So each village is divided into ward. It's okay, it's okay. So a ward is not divided further. Ward is the small unit. So in the ward there are many different families. So now all the adult people were all more than 18 years old. All adults means the people who are more, whose age is more than 18 years. So in each ward, all adult elect the leader. They vote for a leader and they elect the leader from their ward. This leader is called a panch. The punch is supposed to solve the problem of the ward and try to improve it. So each taluka has district manager. Sir, yeah, so Anand, we are going to see that also. Okay, at district level, who is main, which work he has. Okay, yes. So let's focus on Panchayati Raj, Sarpanch, Gram Sabha now. So Panch is supposed to solve the problems. If there are so many problems in the village areas, like city area, we have seen that when we have seen these government levels, that time we have seen that which problems or which problem is solved by the corporation, isn't it? So here also it is related with the village only. There are water problems, there are road problems, lights. So Panch is supposed to solve these problems of the world and he has to try to improve it. Yes, Sarpanch. So gram is the Indian word for village. So village means gram. Remember this as you will find this word being used a lot of in the relation of the villages. So you might have heard this that village means gram. All the adults in the village are considered to be a part of team, the Gram Sabha. So all the who are above the 18 years old, they all in the villages who live in that village are considered to be a part of the team, and that is called a Gram Sabha. All the parents in the villages form a team, and this team is called Gram Panchayat. Sabha. Sabha means meeting here. Okay. So Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by the panchayat. So this could be only in the villages, not in the city. Okay, because gram is reflected here. Gram means village. Yes. So
Village.
anyone who is 18 years old or more than that has the right to vote to the member of Gram Sabha. Okay. So all the panch in the village form a team and that team is called Gram Panchayat. So all members of the Gram Sabha meet with the Gram Panchayat and then choose a head of the Gram Panchayat. So you might heard that who is the main of the Gram Panchayat? Who is the head of the Gram Panchayat? Yes, Anand. Sarpanch. So this head is called the Sarpanch. So can you recognize here? Sarpanch. Sar means head.
Head.
Head leader.
Yes, head, leader. So Sarpanch means here
Head
Sar
punch.
is the head of the panch and thus the head of the village is Sarpanch. So what have we seen about it so far? So it has an elected panch from each ward, isn't it? So one of these panch is elected as a sarpanch. So panch is elected from each ward and one of the panch is elected as the sarpanch. That is the head of the village. So sarpanch, and let's see more about sarpanch. Sarpanch leads all the meeting. So he is the head. So he or she leads Sarpanch leads all the meetings. So if the people find that the Sarpanch is not doing his job properly, so they can all have a no confidence vote against the Sarpanch. So it is for every elected member. Okay, so here in Sarpanch case, if people find that he is not doing his job properly, so they all can vote like no confidence vote and against the Sarpanch. So he has to resign. He has to leave his job. So the Gram Panchayat has a secretary. So this, who is this secretary? Let's see. But this secretary is not chosen by the people. So who chose him or how he select a? So he is selected by the government. So in fact, this secretary may not even be from this village. So this is very important thing, student, that this secretary is chosen by the government and this secretary is not from the village. There are some reasons behind it. So the secretary is called the Gram Sevak. Gram Sevak, you might have heard. So Gram Sevak, the secretary, is a person who is appointed by the government, as I told you just now. So this secretary has to call meeting and keep records of the way work is happening in the Gram Panchayat. So here you can see the elected member. Government keep watch and check through these peoples everywhere they appointed. Means it is mentioned in the constitution only that at every level they appointed one person to keep watch or for smooth working. They appointed one person. Okay, one is elected person and one is appointed by the government. So this secretary has to call meeting and keep records of the way work is happening in the Gram Panchayat. This secretary informs villagers about these schemes. There are so many government schemes for farmers regarding crops. Sometimes they get fertilizers through the government. If there is the destruction of the crop, so then some schemes is given by the government. So this secretary informs villagers about the schemes and plans that the government comes out with for the villages, for the development of the villages. There are some schemes which is given by the government. So this secretary informed this scheme to the villages. This secretary is the link between the government and the villagers. Gram Sevak, it is Gram Sevak. So what are the functions of the Gram Panchayat? So it looks after village roads, lighting, drinking water, then garbage, we can say sewage, planting trees, playgrounds, parks, and keeping the village clean. It keeps a record of birth, death, and the marriages in the village also. It provides development schemes related to animal husbandry and agriculture also. It gives healthcare facilities to the villagers. Where does it get money from all this? Yes, yes, Swanand, type it. Where does it get
And they
for
can get
all these
money from the
facilities, for
government.
all this service?
Ma'am, they can get it from the government, or I think they also put tax.
Ma'am, tax.
See, Yugandhara, animal husbandry means when they keep they kept the animals. Yes, Sama, great. Tax.
Tax, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So through taxes,
Ma'am,
it
through
gets
taxes.
money just like all government bodies do through
Ma'am, just like
taxes
a
only.
city,
So
just
people
like a
live in
city.
village pay various taxes to the Gram Panchayat. The money collected through the taxes is used for development of the village, for
Ma'am,
service, for repairing the things. So the Gram Panchayat has to take decision in front of the Gram Sabha. That means they have to do this in front of all the adults of the village. So, okay. So Gram Sabha is the meeting from for where the all the people from the village and the panch together have meeting. Okay, and who is the head of this Gram Sabha? Sarpanch. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so they have to together decide something regarding the villages. So that means they have to do this in front. Means only just Panch or Sarpanch will not take the decision. So they have to take decision in front of the all the people from the village. Okay. So the Gram Panchayat can ask them questions, like villagers can ask them questions or even disagree. Sometimes they don't like the decision. So that time they can have the questions or they can show the disagreement to the Gram Panchayat, whatever they have or taken decision regarding that. And they can suggest better alternatives also. So the Gram Panchayat members cannot just do as they like and favor their friends and relatives. So they have to always do what is good for the village. Gram Sabha can thus control the Gram Panchayat and make sure they do things that are actually good for their village.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.